Dr. William Li, a Harvard-trained physician, researcher, and founder of the Angiogenesis Foundation, has helped advance over 40 FDA-approved therapies for cancer, cardiovascular disease, wound healing, and vision loss. Based on his studies, here are 3 stem cell-supporting drinks. 1. Green and black tea. Green tea carries catechins, mainly EGCG. Those plant polyphenols enter the blood, lower inflammation, improve fat levels, cut stress hormones, and lift stem cell activity. Black tea, once viewed as weaker because it is fermented, can also double the stem cell count. Milk changes the result. Fat globules in cow's milk trap catechin molecules as well as block uptake. Soy or cashew milk does not. Taiwanese milk oolong tastes creamy but contains no dairy, so it's the best choice. 2. Coffee. Coffee provides chlorogenic acid. This compound widens blood vessels, boosts stem cells, speeds metabolism, lowers inflammation, and supports immune function. A large study from the UK Biobank found that drinking 2 to 3.5 cups daily was linked to a 30% lower risk of all-cause mortality over 9 years. Organic coffee contains up to 3 times more chlorogenic acid than conventional beans. 3. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, 73 to 85% cacao, can significantly raise stem cell levels. In a small clinical trial, 2 daily cups of hot chocolate for 30 days doubled stem cells and improved blood flow in patients with cardiovascular disease. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video so more people can see it.